Hey everyone, this video is going to go over wavelength settings and the molecule dropdown that you see on the right hand screen. So let's first go into settings and find wavelength settings. Here you can edit your 3 wavelength regions. So the first region, right now I have it set as fool's gold, but you can select any molecule that we have on here in our dropdown to change it. So maybe you wanted to set it as custom. And any of these molecules you can edit and put your own in, so let's put it as 420 to 430. And so you'll notice that that shrinks that molecule region that you have because I decreased the difference, or the length of that region. So now we can edit some of the other wavelengths and we can set it. You'll notice when you go back to your indicator regimes that we now have region 1 set as custom. So you can do other things like check that checkbox over here, or you can check your other molecules checkbox, or just check 1 or check 2 of them. And this allows you to really dial in and really see what that signal represents. Thanks for watching.